We all want convenience when it comes to choosing our own house. And that is why the villas at Dasmariñas Highlands is the perfect place for you. I am Dayan and we are now outside your future home, Ingrid, a beautiful 3-story townhouse. Let's see what's inside. I would like to thank you for joining me today, and if you have inquiries or want to schedule a tripping, feel free to message us on our social media accounts. Again, this is Dayan and let's turn this house into your dream home here in the villas at Dasmariñas Highlands.